Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will talk about animations and transitions. So first what we will do is we will try to create a new presentation from a template, and then we will apply animations and transitions. We'll try to insert footer, and we'll be working on header and footer, then speaker notes, spell check, and printing the slides. So let's create a new presentation from the templates. So let's go to the slide. Now I can click on the file, click on the new. I need a business plan. So what I can do is I can search for that. I can click on the search button. I can type plans. Then I can go for press enter. It will search for slides or presentation which has a plan. So we have a categories like business plan. I can click on that. So we do have different samples. I would like to go for this samples. I can click on create. Now you have the template. So what you need to do is you can just type in and change the information for your companies. I can say this is share my toys, and this is my business plan, and I can put my name Tariq Aziz, created for that. Similarly, you can change all the slides whatever you need for your company. So let's go and see the next slides. So the next slide is do the animation. So we'll go to the slide number 2, and then we'll do the animation. First, we'll do the animation on the titles. Okay, so we'll try one animation style, and then we'll change the animation style to brush color. Okay, so let's go and see the animation. This is my slide number 2. I can click on the title and I can click on float in. This is one of my animation. I didn't like it. Let me try the fly in. I didn't like it either because I don't want the movement. So what I can do is in the emphasis, I can try the brush color. This is what I like it. Okay, so I like the idea for this one. If you miss this one, I can click on the preview. You can have a look again. Okay, one more time. I click on the preview and you can see the preview of the animation. Very nice. Now I can apply the same animation. So I click here, I go to more button in the animation, click on the brush color. Similarly, go to the next slide, click on the title, click on the more, and then brush color in the emphasis. Click on the objectives, title, click on the more, and then so now we are applying the animation to our titles. So once we are done with the titles, then we'll see we can do the other stuff. So now is appendix. One more time, go for the brush color. So we did the animation for all of our, I did animation for this one as well, for example, the brush color. So let's see what we have in the slides. So we did the animation part for all titles. Remove animation. Okay, the last one which we did to the title slide, it says that we the title slide animation, so we have to remove this one. So basically we are learning how to remove the animation. So click on that, click on the none. You see that? So one is gone. So there's no more animation on this slide. I can just do the undo by Control Z. I'm going to show you another method. Click on this one and press delete. Animation is gone. So this is another way that you can use. Now we'll try the bullet list. Okay, so we did the animation for the titles. Now we'll do the animation for the bullets. So let's go to the slide number 2 and we'll try float in, but then we'll change it to fly in. Okay, so let's go back. Slide number 8. I can go from here, click on this and drag, and I can see the slide number on the left side on the top. So there you go, 8 of 9. So I can click here in the cell and I can click fly in. What will happen? It will divide it into 3 groups. This is group number 2. All points will come together. This is 3. All points, 3 points will come together, and this is 4. You know, if I just go to the reading view, I press space, the first animation, now the next one, the whole group, and the 4th group. You see that? So this comes in like that. But actually I need the fly in. There you go. Again, 3, 3, and 3. So this is what we have. Let's see what we have on the slide. So, okay, so we need to apply from slide 2 to 7 all the fly in. Okay, so let's go back and try to apply the same thing. This one, fly in, go back, fly in, go back, click on the fly in. All the main bullet points will come separately. Fly in, click on this one, fly in. So all from 2 to 7 we are done with that. Now let's go see what we have next. Okay, on the slide 8 we have some second bullets. You see the first level bullets and the second level bullets. Well, what we need to do is, let's go and see what is the issue. Slide number 8, the issue is that I want that when I click, then this item should come, only this item come. But what's happening now, all 3 items comes together because this is number 2, all are number 2 level. So I can click on that, I can go up there and I can say on click. You see that now it is number 3. So if I run this issue, this will come first, this will come second, and third, this one. But you know, this is also third. So I need to change this one as well. So I can go back and I can click on the on click. But you know, this is too much, you know, time consuming. So what I can do is I can do undo for you guys. And now what I can do is I can select this part, control, I can select this part because I want all lines should come separately. So with the help of control, I can select distinct locations. I can click on this one and say on click. Now if you see, this is 2 and 3 and 4, then 5, then 6 and 7 and 8. You see that? This is what I was looking for. So by selecting and clicking on click, I just change the animation sequence. So, and see what, okay, let's see, and let's see in the reading view. So I can go back to the reading view, and now if you see, every click I do, one item will come. You see here, one item is coming every time I click. Very nice. Now the next slide is, okay, now we have to add the transition to the slide number 8. First we'll try the flip and then we'll go for the cube. Okay, and then we'll change the slide number 8 to a blind one. Very nice. So flip, cube, and blind. There you go. So I can go to 8. I can say I want to apply transition. Transition is this one. So I can go to flip. There you go, flip. It will come like that. No, I didn't like it. So what I can do is I can go for the cube. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, So what I want to do is I want to apply this to all slides. Okay, guys. So I'm applying to all slides. Now, any slide you go, you will find the cube transition. But I want to, for the slide number 8, I don't want the cube. I want a different one. I want a blind. There you go, the blind one. Okay. I clicked on the blind. It comes like that. Now, all other slides, if I just go to 7 and I say Shift F5, okay, you will see this is cube. Now, for the next slide is blind. You got it? And the next slide is again a cube. Very nice. So we did a great job. Now, and Shift F5, as I mentioned, Shift F5 is to preview slideshow from the slide where you are on. If you press F5, it will go to slide number 1. But if you're on slide number 7 and you want to start show from slide number 7, press Shift F5. Now let's go for the header and footer, and I want in the footer I want share my twice. Okay, let's go and see. The footer for this presentation should be on this side, okay, under the brown button, because this is the style. So let's go and see insert header and footer, and in the footer I want to add share my twice. I want to add a slide number, and then you see slide number comes up here because this is the style here, and this is my footer. I clicked on that, you see footer is off. I click on that, is back. So date and time, where is the date and time? Date and time is here somewhere, you see that? And then update automatic. Don't show on the title slide, this is must. Apply to all, there you go. So we got a date, we got a footer, we got a slide number on the top, this is 9, you got it? So this is our footer. Let's go back to next slide. Oh, speaker notes. So speaker notes, we need to add speaker notes on the slide number 5. Let's go back to slide number 5 is my speaker notes. So I can click on the notes. Okay, I can type here. This is my speaker notes. You know what I can do? If I say Shift F5, I can see the slide here, and I can see my notes on the right side. You see that? So when the next slide comes, there is no notes. That's why I didn't display any notes. And this is my presenter view. And this only I can see. The guys, the audience can only see this screen, this main big screen, bus. That's it. They won't be able to see anything else. All these controls are for me. You remember I told you to black the screen, W or B or W, press W, you will get the white screen. All these controls are for me. Okay, press escape to come out of the, and now the slide. So yeah, we need to go and see the view page, note view page. So we have the view. I clicked on the note page, there you go, and you see here I can see the slide here, and I can see the note page here, any text I have written. So there you go, you see here slide and the note text page. Even I can write in this one, I can write, I would like to write my notes in this section. I can write here as well, no problem. I can go back to the slide sorter view, slide normal view. In this way I can go. Now I can check the spelling. Okay, so what I can do, I can just make small mistakes in some of my text. For example, I did a small mistake here, and I did a small mistake here, and that's it. So let's go in the file, I can go for the option just to make sure. In the proofing, I see check spell check spelling as you type, check grammar and spelling as you type. Okay, so recheck the document you must be doing. Once you change, you must click on the recheck document. Click OK. Now, when I press F7, if you go to the review, you will find the spelling here. Huh? Spelling is F7. Okay. If you press F7, aha, it has a problem with Aziz. There you go. And then I can resume and I can go for the product. Okay, so I would like to change the product. I have a growth problem, so I can change it. So I have the full option, either ignore or change. No, I would like, okay, there's nothing here, so I just ignore this part. And that's it. So it is checking the spelling in the notes and as well as in the slides. Now the next part is printing. So let's go and see the printing part. Click on the file, click on the print. Now you can print all slides. Okay, now you can print in a grayscale. Save your printer ribbon. You can print the black and white, pure black and white. You can choose on the one page. You can choose two slides, note page. Now if you see, wherever the notes come, you will see that notes are printed at the bottom of the slide. Yeah, there you go. You see the notes are available here and the slide is on the top. You can go for outline. This is outline. You can print in this format as well. You can print in the notes. There you have the slides and you can write the notes here. So you can print it like that so people can write the notes. And by the way, this output is for the audience. You can print 9 slides, horizontal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you can print 9 slides vertical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You got it? So that is how you're going to be doing the printing part. So let's see. That's it for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll talk about graphics, clip arts, formatting shapes, so like that. So let's read kafara majlis dua. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.